This is going to be very exciting and enjoyable. On Rimli's birthday, we left Bangalore in our car and drove to Chikmagalur.
Hey guys, it's 7:30 am in the morning and today is 30th June, my wife's birthday. We actually planned to go somewhere in this birthday and today finally we have decided and we are actually going to Chikmagalur, which is around 280 kilometers from here in Bangalore. We are going to drive all the way through Chikmagalur and actually it's known as coffee land of India. I think coffee was first cultivated there and we are going to experience that. And also we were supposed to start at 6 am in the morning, right? But yesterday night there was some sort of celebration happening in home. So that's why we are kind of late and we have to make up for it over the road. So I will not take much time right now. And as you see here, guys, my wife is also very rushing. So let's meet each other at the car maybe. It's been half an hour that we are driving. Here my wife, she is fully focused on the road right now, so let's not disturb her. At the same time, we just did a FASTag recharge of around $1,000. So just one more thing, guys, before I roll off for now. The road is breathtakingly nice. So if you guys are anywhere near Bangalore, I would definitely recommend that, hey, just go on a road trip to Chikmagalur. The roads are really best. It's around 2 hours more to reach Chikmagalur. We are somewhere in the road. We just wanted to, get our tank full from petrol pump. So we are just standing over here. Just see the nature behind me. Hello guys, it's around 1:30 now. We have just reached our hotel. Around 5 hours of traveling and car driving we had. It was a fun road trip, by the way. We have seen a lot of nature and surroundings. And yesterday night we slept around 2, right? So it was very rough sleep that we had for about 3.5 hours. So now we will just get freshen up and have our lunch and then sleep. We have to sleep tight for at least couple of hours because in the evening time we have plans to go and explore. There is a coffee shop here, very renowned one, and I will tune in at that time. Had a great sleep and now we are at World of Coffee experience. It seems this place has a different vibe altogether in terms of coffee. What I am experiencing right now is kind of the past of coffee, the first days of the coffee, and now at the present day how coffee is presented to the consumers throughout the world. So let me explore this place. We have different aromas, experiencing different aromas of the coffee. Then we have to experience different snacks and also which are also made of coffee, and we will also take some of the souvenirs from here which is also based out of coffee. So let us take you over here.
Seetalayyanagiri is the first halt on the road to Mullayanagiri. This place has a temple and a cliff edge. After taking quite a few pictures there, we started on our way to Mullayanagiri.
So we are now going towards Mullayanagiri. It's around a 550 feet trek that we are doing. It's fully foggy what I am seeing right now. But there are few sort of markets which are just placed over here so that you can have some tea or snacks.
We chose to trek from Seetalayyanagiri to Mullayanagiri to enjoy the views. The alternative is to book a car from the local provider, as outside cars are prohibited from operating after Seetalayyanagiri. Although for two-wheelers there should not be any issues. For those of you who are planning a trip, just a little note. The locals use BSNL and we found Airtel mobile network is not very reliable there.
Now Seetalayyanagiri is done and we are walking towards Mullayanagiri. It's a trek, 550 feet that we have to do, and we are on our way. Let's see. I think there is some sort of temple upstairs, so hoping to see that. The trek seems to be painful, but guys, I have found a great view. Hello guys, so we are now walking towards the main peak and it's too windy over here, but it seems it's giving us more energy. Let's see what is upstairs. Guys, in my backside there, what you are seeing right now is the temple, and that is why most of the visitors are coming all the way across, passing through all the I see a sense of pride also that I have been able to trek all the way up, living a sedentary life, but when there is a moment for you to flourish, we have actually done it. That's a good thing. And also I see that a lot of cows are actually here, which is kind of striking me to think that something is there in terms of God and something is there in terms of Lord Shiva. Otherwise, you always associate Lord Shiva with cows, and I see here a lot of cows. I don't know how they have trekked.
Due to the dense fog in high altitude regions, it took us a long time to trek Mullayanagiri and then return back. We left for Jhari Falls from Mullayanagiri after we got back, which was around 1:30 pm.
Guys, what you are seeing at my back is known as Jhari Falls. It's been a thrilling ride to reach over here. The jeep ride was very eventful. The road were muddy because the rain started all of a sudden, and at the same time the road was not at all smooth. So I'll make sure to add that experience in the video itself. Now, one thing that you have to keep in mind while coming to Jhari Falls is when your private car leaves you, and from that point onwards there is jeep ride that is going to take you here, and at one go one jeep can only accommodate 7 folks. So 7 people can be accommodated at max, and there is a fixed price 800 rupees per jeep ride, no matter if one person is riding or 7 persons are riding. That's fixed. They will be giving you a token, and you have to use that token. You have to show that token while returning back. So 800 rupees is to and fro from the boarding point to Jhari Falls. The falls looks good, but the water is not so good right now because of the rain, as you can see.
We spent some time in the coffee plantation on the way back from Jhari Falls to get a better sense of Chikmagalur's surroundings. Next day morning, we had our breakfast and prepared to head back to Bangalore. After taking a few photos in front of the hotel, we began our journey.
So stay tuned to see our upcoming episodes, and if this video was helpful to you, make sure you hit on the like button so that it reaches more people. If you have any query, write it down in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe us at RimJit Stories.